dollar dignity. Want to see some hands in the air? Let me go. I save my money. Pretty and shit.